Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Meta's potential shift to charging for its upcoming Avocado AI model, Mistral's release of two new open-source coding models called Devstral 2, and the Pentagon's deployment of Google Gemini across a new military AI platform. Meta is considering charging for access to its next flagship AI model, codenamed Avocado. This represents a significant departure from the company's previous approach of releasing open-source models. The shift comes after their Llama 4 model apparently didn't meet internal expectations. Mark Zuckerberg has been leading an internal restructuring of Meta's AI operations throughout 2025, bringing in new talent and implementing tighter controls over the development process. Zuckerberg stated that they're taking a more cautious approach to open-sourcing frontier models going forward. This change signals that Meta is pivoting toward proprietary systems rather than freely available ones. The company has reportedly established what it's calling Meta Superintelligence Labs as part of this restructuring effort. While Meta has been known for making powerful models like the Llama series available to developers and researchers at no cost, Avocado may require paid subscriptions or licensing fees when it launches. Industry observers noted that Meta is moving toward monetizing its next-generation AI stack, suggesting this isn't just about one model, but potentially a broader business strategy change for the company's AI products. Mistral has released two new open-source coding models under the Devstral 2 name. The larger version has 123 billion parameters and is released under the MIT license, while the smaller model has 24 billion parameters and uses the Apache 2.0 license. The 24 billion parameter version, called Devstral Small 2, is particularly notable because it can run locally on many laptops, making it accessible to developers who want to generate code without relying on cloud services. According to benchmarks shared by Mistral, these models can code up to twice as fast as Claude and GPT-4 on certain tasks. The smaller 24 billion parameter model reportedly outperforms Qwen 3 Coder Flash despite having fewer parameters, demonstrating efficiency in its architecture. Along with the models themselves, Mistral released something called Mistral Vibe CLI, which is a command-line interface tool designed to help developers automate their coding workflows. One observer commented that if anyone had been waiting for a true Copilot alternative, this release delivers on that promise. The combination of strong performance, open-source licensing, and the ability to run locally gives developers more options beyond the proprietary coding assistants from major tech companies. Both models are immediately available for download and use. The Pentagon has launched a new platform called GenAI.mil that brings Google Gemini to the U.S. military workforce. This marks the first large-scale deployment of generative AI across the Department of Defense. The system uses a version called Gemini for Government and is authorized at Impact Level 5, which is a security classification that allows it to handle controlled, unclassified information. The platform is being rolled out to military personnel, civilian staff, and contractors for unclassified tasks. Practical applications include generating document summaries, creating compliance checklists, and conducting risk assessments. This deployment is part of a broader AI modernization push under directives from the current administration. Secretary of War Pete Hegseth stated that the future of American warfare is here, and it's spelled AI. The Pentagon emphasized in its official statement that they are moving rapidly to deploy powerful AI capabilities like Gemini for government. The platform also includes enterprise search functionality, allowing users to find information across Defense Department systems more efficiently. Access is being provided globally across military installations and offices. While the current deployment focuses on unclassified work, it represents a significant step in how the military integrates AI tools into daily operations. The platform launched on December 9th, with the public announcement following the next day. These developments show how AI deployment is evolving across different sectors. Meta's potential move to monetize frontier models reflects the enormous computational costs involved in training cutting-edge systems and the need for sustainable business models. Meanwhile, Mistral's open-source coding models demonstrate that powerful tools can still be made freely available, giving developers alternatives to paid services. The Pentagon's adoption of Gemini illustrates how generative AI is moving from experimental projects into operational use within large institutions, even those as complex and security-conscious as the military. As these tools become more capable and widely deployed, organizations are finding different approaches to balance innovation, accessibility, and practical implementation across their specific needs and constraints. Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.